Hey YouTube, sorry about the lighting and the way my hair looks. It's like bedtime, so yeah, excuse my hair. But I'm going to do a little quick review on the Graco baby fetal doppler. I showed this in like videos before. I purchased this from Walmart. This cost me like 30 bucks or something like that. It comes with recording headset and then earplugs as well, but I don't like it, and I would not recommend anybody waste their money on this like I have. They say once you hit like, I believe it's like between 28 weeks or so, you should be able to hear a heartbeat or whatever, but it just, to me, it doesn't work. Like, it works, obviously, but it's not picking up anything. And I even tried it on, like, stereo speakers, and still nothing. Like, you cannot hear anything. So I just would not recommend anybody waste their money on this, because I am 33 weeks pregnant, almost 34 weeks pregnant, so I should obviously be able to hear my baby's heartbeat, like, and I can't hear it, so I wouldn't waste your money on it, because one, it's like $30 by itself. Then you have to buy a pack of batteries, which I think is like the 9-volt batteries. Those alone by itself are like $6 for two. Yes, I just wouldn't waste your money on it. Like, it's the Graco one. I'm not sure. I know they make other different kinds or whatever. I haven't tried any other ones. This is actually the first time I ever purchased one of these. I didn't purchase one with my daughter. I decided to try it out with this one, and obviously I don't like it, so I wouldn't try it, and I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. Could be that I just have a little stale one, so if you do have this and yours works perfectly, let me know. But my opinion, I don't like it, and I wouldn't waste your money on it, really. So, yeah, that's my review. Alright, bye YouTube.